Hey, Bennie here, coming at you from the historic Taylor Theater in Lockport, New York. I play drums. I play drums in Handsome Jack. Like a lot of people, I started at a young age, 10 years old. Joined band as soon as I could. I thought walking around the hallways with drumsticks in my back pocket would help me not get picked on. It did. Got together with some buds, started playing in garages, annoying people's families, playing in their basement, so eventually we hit the road. Now we're at Alive Records and we've toured the whole country, Canada, and we've been to Europe a few times now. So it's been awesome traveling around and getting to see places I never thought I would. Today I wanted to talk about, I'm stoked to be working with Collision Drumsticks. I use 5B, pretty much always use 5B since I was a youngster. These are great drumsticks. They're very durable. When I play, pretty much rock and roll strictly, I catch on the 2s and the 4s, the backbeat. I like to catch a little of the rim, just give it an extra pop, so you can always know where that backbeat is, and that will eat away at them. These really hold up nicely, balanced well, and they're very affordable. You know how it is out there, you're on the road. Sometimes you might not get paid. You need to get the best bang for your buck, and this is high quality drumsticks, and they're very affordable. And just to demonstrate today, I'm going to use these to play one of our original tunes, Handsome Jack's song, off our most recent album, Get Humble. And this song is called High Class Man. Pretty straightforward rock and roll beat, just groove. You can really just lay back and groove into this one. So it's a lot of fun to play, and I hope you enjoy.